Mammalia. General characters. First, hair clad, terrestrial, air breathing, mostly warm blooded. Viviparous, tetrapod vertebrates. Second, body distinctly divisible into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Third, limbs two pairs, pentadactyl, each with 5 or fewer digits, and variously adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, or flying. Hind limbs absent in cetaceans and sirenians. Fourth, exoskeleton includes lifeless horny epidermal hairs, spines, scales, claws, nails, hooves, horns, bony dermal plates, etc. Skin richly glandular, containing sweat, sebaceous, and sometimes scent glands in both the sexes. Females also have mammary glands with teats producing milk for suckling the young. Sixth, a muscular partition called diaphragm separates the anterior thoracic cavity from the posterior abdominal cavity. Seventh, endoskeleton truly ossified skull dicondylic having two occipital condyles formed exclusively by the exoccipitals, cranium large. A single zygomatic arch present. Pterygoids small, scale-like, otic bones fused into periotic with forms tympanic bulla with tympanic. Absent bones of skulls are prefrontal, postfrontal, quadratojugal, supraorbital, and basispterygoids. Each half of lower jaw made of single bone, the dentary, articulating with squamosal of skull. Vertebrae with terminal epiphysis and flat center. Cervical vertebrae usually 7. Ribs bicephalous. Coracoid vestigial. 8. Alimentary canal terminates by anus, there being no cloaca. Buccal cavity separated from nasal passage by a hard palate, formed by premaxillary, maxillary, and palatines. Teeth are of several types: heterodont, bone in sockets, thicodont, and represented by two sets, diphodont. Ninth, respiration always by lungs, pulmonary. Glottis protected by a fleshy and cartilaginous epiglottis. Larynx contains vocal cords. 10th, heart four-chambered with double circulation. Only the left aortic arch present. Renal portal system absent. RBC small, circular and non-nucleated. Body temperature regulated. Homeothermos. 11th, kidneys metanephric. Ureters open into a muscular urinary bladder. Excretion is ureotelic. Excretory fluid is urine. 12th, brain highly evolved. both cerebrum and cerebellum large and convoluted. Optic lobes small and 4 in number, called corpora quadragemina. Corpus callosum present connecting both cerebral hemispheres. Cranial nerves 12 pairs. 13th. Senses well developed. Eyes protected by lids, the upper of which is movable. External ear opening protected by a large fleshy and cartilaginous flap called pinna. Middle ear cavity with 3 ear ossicles, malleus, incus and steps. Cochlea of internal ear spirally coiled. 14th. Sexes separated. Sexual dimorphism generally well marked. Male has a erectile copulatory organ or penis. Testes commonly placed in a back or scrotum outside abdomen. Eggs are small with little yolk and no shells. 15th. Fertilization internal preceded by copulation. 16th. Except egg-laying monotremous mammals are viviparous, giving birth to living young ones. 17th. Development uterine. Developing fetus attached to uterine wall of mother by a placenta for nutrition and respiration. Embryonic membranes, amnion, chorion and allantois present. 18th. After birth, young nourished by milk secreted from mammary glands of mother. 19th. Parental care well developed, reaching its climax in humans. 20. Mammals show greatest intelligence among all animals.